In the heart of Western Australia, on a secluded island paradise, lives an animal with a permanent smile. This is the quokka, a small marsupial whose seemingly cheerful expression has earned it the title of the world's happiest animal. But beyond that famous smile lies a fascinating story of survival, unique social bonds, and the remarkable journey of raising a family in the wild. Join us as we venture into the world of the quokka, a creature as resilient as it is endearing. Our story begins on Rottnest Island, a sun-drenched sanctuary just off the coast of Perth. This is the primary stronghold for the quokka, a small wallaby about the size of a domestic cat. Their compact bodies, covered in thick, grizzled brown fur, are perfectly adapted for navigating the island's dense scrubland and woodlands. And that smile is not an emotion, but a result of their unique facial structure and musculature. It's a feature that has captured human hearts, but it belies a tough and tenacious spirit, honed by millennia of evolution. As dusk settles over the island, the quokkas emerge. Being primarily nocturnal, they spend the hottest parts of the day resting in the shade of dense vegetation. Now, as the air cools, the landscape comes alive with their quiet activity. They are social animals, often gathering in family groups. You'll see them grooming each other, a behavior that strengthens social bonds and maintains hygiene. Communication is subtle, a mix of soft grunts, squeaks, and body language. They hop with a bouncy, energetic gait, their short, broad hind feet propelling them through the undergrowth. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, stems, and the bark of various plants. They are skilled foragers, using their small, sharp claws to pull down branches and access tender new growth. Water is scarce on Rottnest Island, but quokkas have a remarkable adaptation. They can go for long periods without drinking, obtaining most of the moisture they need from the plants they eat. They also have the ability to store fat in their tails, a vital energy reserve for leaner times. This adaptation is crucial for surviving the island's dry summers. When the Australian winter arrives, between January and March, a change comes over the quokka population. This is the mating season. Competition among males can be intense. They will pursue females, sometimes engaging in scuffles with rivals. These encounters are usually brief, with the dominant male earning the right to mate. The courtship itself is a gentle affair, with the male following the female, sniffing and softly clucking, until she is receptive. The quokka's reproductive strategy is a marsupial marvel. After a gestation period of just 1 month, the female gives birth to a single, tiny baby, called a joey. This newborn is incredibly underdeveloped, about the size of a jelly bean, blind, hairless, and fragile. Immediately after birth, this minuscule creature embarks on an incredible journey. Using its more developed forelimbs, it crawls unassisted from the birth canal, through its mother's fur, and into the safety of her pouch. Inside the pouch, the joey latches onto one of 4 teats, which swells in its mouth to ensure a secure attachment. Here, in this warm, dark, and protective nursery, the joey will spend the next 6 months of its life. The pouch is not just a carrier, it's a mobile incubator and milk bar. The mother's milk changes in composition as the joey grows, providing the precise nutrients needed at each stage of development. The mother diligently cleans her pouch, ensuring a hygienic environment for her precious cargo. Around the 6-month mark, a curious little face begins to peek out from the pouch. The joey, now covered in a fine layer of fur, and with its eyes wide open, starts to explore the world from a safe vantage point. It will begin to nibble on vegetation that its mother is eating, a process that helps its digestive system adapt to solid food. These first forays are brief, and at the first sign of danger, the joey retreats back into the pouch. Over the next few weeks, the joey grows more adventurous, spending more and more time outside. It practices hopping, learns to forage, and observes the social interactions of the group. The mother remains close, teaching her offspring what is safe to eat and how to navigate their environment. This period of learning is critical for the joey's future survival. By about 8 months, the joey is too large for the pouch and becomes fully independent, though it may stay close to its mother for another month or 2. But life on Rottnest Island is not without its perils. While the island lacks large mainland predators, like foxes, quokkas still face threats. Snakes and birds of prey, such as wedge-tailed eagles, can prey on young or unwary quokkas. Their most effective defense is their speed and agility. When threatened, a quokka will bolt for the nearest dense thicket, its powerful hind legs carrying it to safety in a flash. Their instinct to freeze when startled can also help them blend into the foliage, avoiding detection. The quokka plays a vital role in its ecosystem. As herbivores, they help shape the plant community through their grazing. By eating fruits and seeds, they also act as important seed dispersers, helping to regenerate the native vegetation across the island. Their health is an indicator of the overall health of their habitats. Today, the quokka is listed as a vulnerable species. While the population on Rottnest Island is relatively stable, mainland populations have been decimated by habitat loss and predation from introduced species like foxes and cats. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival. Protecting their habitat, managing predator numbers, and educating the public about these unique animals are all key components of the strategy to safeguard their future. The smiling face of the quokka is a reminder of Australia's unique biodiversity and our responsibility to protect it. From a tiny jelly bean-sized newborn to a resilient, independent adult, the life of a quokka is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Their gentle nature and seemingly joyful disposition bring smiles to our faces. But it is their incredible story of survival and adaptation that truly commands our respect. The future of this happy little marsupial depends on our continued efforts to protect the wild places they call home. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the life of the quokka. If you were captivated by their story, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Our next adventure takes us deep into the rainforest to uncover the secrets of another incredible species. You won't want to miss it. See you next time.